property owners and management companies. Why is the WAGS valve better at mitigating water tank failure? Property owners and management companies have a responsibility to preserve and upkeep their properties to ensure the integrity of their investment. Having the ability to mitigate a water tank failure is not only practical and good risk management, but it is also priceless when it comes to avoiding unnecessary costs and consequences. Almost 70% of water heater failures happened because of sudden bursts or slow leaks. Preventing the potential risk of water damage from a failed water heater is simple and smart with a WAGS valve. And remember, a WAGS valve does not need electricity. A WAGS valve does not need batteries. A WAGS valve does not need a wireless signal. And a WAGS valve does not need any maintenance. A WAGS valve does provide no worries for the property owner. If you have any questions, you can call us at 844-438-9247, or you could message us. The WAGS valve, simple, smart, with well over 100,000 plus installed. WAGS will watch so you don't have to.